In color charcoal denim, we have late model, low miles in the form of a 2017 Harley-Davidson XL883N Sportster iron. Really nice looking color and logo treatment on the tank. Late model is 17, low miles is barely over 4,000 as of right this moment. Bike looks great and runs great and is ready to take you for a ride as far as you want to go. I really like this color. 883cc V-twin engine mated to a 5-speed transmission. Beautiful bike. And is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.